back to day 4 in the series where we are building a 13.5 by 6 metre log cabin in Market Rasen, Lincolnshire. Now we have just driven 2.5 hours, so before anything happens, as is how fresh it is, it's time to make a cup of tea and get the tools out of the van and get started. Purlins complete, which means it's time for roof boards. Now we have got to screw every single board because, as I said in part 1, this is coming down in apparently 3 years, which means if all of the roof boards have been nailed, when it comes to taking the boards off, you're going to destroy the boards, which would warrant having to replace all of the roof boards. And the second hole in the story is we've also got to screw all of the floorboards, and as you can imagine, a building this size has a lot of floorboards. As eager as I am to start putting them roof boards down, the first thing that needs to be addressed is them gaps. Now, I've got a beam puller for that, which is why I say it's invaluable. But how would you solve it? Let me know in the comments. How would you bring them together? And that's another job off the list. Now, they are only mechanically fixed. You can glue them if you really want to, but as this building's coming down in a few years, that will suffice. Now, Ben's already made a start on one side of the roof boards, which means I get the exciting job of joining him. So I better make a start. That's it, done. What we can do of the roof, unsupported. Obviously, it'd be nice to get them posts in there so that we're not walking on something that may or may not collapse, but you know, safety first. That's what's done for today. Now, you may have saw that I was only using one screw per board. Now, because it's a tongue into a groove system, when I put one screw on one side of the board, it could not cup because of the tongue and the groove mechanical element of it. So that's why I did that. Now, I want to show you guys around tomorrow. I'm not going to do it today because there's not enough light and it will just look pants. Now, if you do want to see part 5, make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, set your preferences to all, and then you can be part of seeing the walk around. I'll see you guys in part 5.